Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1993 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 truck. Beautiful truck, guys. 50,000 original miles. Somebody's taken and just making this thing into just a slick little show truck, guys. You can see it's just got gorgeous custom flame work on it. Beautifully done. It's got a 4.6 lowering kit on it. Lots of little trim stuff as we roll around. It's got a Lund rear balance, you can see. It's got 20 and 22 inch Billet Specialty wheels. And like I say, 50,000 actual miles on the truck. Love the flame job. Whoever did those really knew what they were doing. Like I say, truck sits good. This is for the guy, I think, that's just looking for something different, something to play with, something to add to his collection, to just have a blast with. Again, 22-inch Billet Specialty wheels. Killer flame job. I mean, really nicely done. This thing really draws attention. I've driven it a couple of times, and man, does it draw attention. Complete custom grille here with the billet inserts. There's a couple little touch-up marks as you walk through it. I love the way they outline that in green. Again, beautiful flames. This is a steel cowl hood. Not a whole lot to really pick other than a couple little touch-up marks, guys. Very nicely done. These are custom mirrors. That's all painted body color. It does have the tinted side glass. Customized the tailgate, relocated the, nope, Mike, just open the hood for now. Relocated the latch. That's all custom done. So there's no latch, it's just smooth on the outside. Truck's just got a real clean look. Again, this roll pan is all custom. I think this is done by Lund. Got a couple little touch-up marks. We missed some dust on it. Beautifully done truck, man. Again, I believe it's a 4.6 Belltech drop kit on this thing. Just as nice on the bottom as it is on the top. Turn the key, take it right to the show. It's cool, man. Just a fun truck to get in and cruise. 22s on the rear. It's got the 20s on the front. You can see the disc brakes. Man, gorgeous flame job, man. Those are beautiful. Again, you can go ahead and open the doors. Original 5.7 V8. Of course, got the automatic overdrive transmission, stock. Everything here is really stock. Power steering, power disc brakes, air blows ice cold. Stock intake and exhaust manifolds. open spot here in the front window. I'm trying to put this thing right in the front window, man. This thing will glow at night with our spotlights in the building. Look wicked cool. Again, steel cowl hood. It fits excellent. They did a nice job fitting that. It's power windows. It's got shaved door handles. It's got door poppers for both sides. All your original door stickers are in there. The ones are in the glove box too, so it's all 50 state eligible for registration. I know some states you need those on this age vehicle. Factory bench seat. This is all bone stock. Power windows, power locks, tilt, cruise. All factory dash, 50,341, factory tach, factory gauges, does have an aftermarket Kenwood radio. It's got a Flowmaster dual exhaust, stock rear end. Might be able to open this with one hand, show you this. Yeah. You can see that truck is clean. Couple little marks in your bed, but other than that, that's it. It's a killer truck. I dig it, man. Super cool. Again, just as clean on the bottom as it is on the top. Door seams are nice and clean. Beautiful interior. Man, just a really fun truck. If you're like I say, if you're looking for something different, something fun to cruise, I think you'll have a blast with this truck. And these old body styles are really getting hot. Dash is nice. Go ahead and start it up, Mike. Click your air on. Air blows ice cold, you turn it off. Give it a little rev. Man, just a little sweetheart right here. Pretty truck. I love the front grille. Gauges are all functional. Can you shut that door, Mike? Brake lights. Give a little rev. Good sound. Radio works. Doors open and close real nice. Wipers. That grill is cool. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking our little button there. That way we get a notification every time I post a new video. Yeah. Really pulling out in front. Have a great day, guys.